Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to connect the Ethernet cable to the Sony PS5 gaming console. This will help us to download our games much faster compared to our Wi-Fi connection. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We love to download games and play them on our PS5 console, but downloading them via Wi-Fi internet connection could be time consuming. To save some time and to download our games faster, we can replace the Wi-Fi connection with the Ethernet connection. We will see the steps for this now. When we do this using the Wi-Fi connection, it is basically wireless and we don't need to use any cables. But with Ethernet connection, we have to connect this cable to our Wi-Fi router and our PS5. Both of them will have an Ethernet or LAN port at the backside usually. We just have to connect both the ends and we will complete the first step. For most households, I think Cat6 or Cat6A cable is fine. Cat6A or 7 is good for future proofing as well. Also make sure you pick the right cable length depending on how far your PS5 console and your router are. We can pick the size according to that. I'll share the product link in the description along with other helpful videos. You can check it out if you're interested. So I'm going to connect the one end of the Ethernet cable to our Wi-Fi router. We can see at the back of our router we have this LAN indication. Usually it will be LAN or Ethernet or a symbol representing that. So just have to keep our cable like this and then insert it. We will hear that click sound, that's all. And now we are going to insert the other end of the Ethernet cable to the back side of our PS5 console. We can see the Ethernet port at the bottom here, this one. Make sure we align this properly. Sometimes we have to insert the cable like this and sometimes we have to do it like this. In this case, we have to keep it like this and insert it. We can hear that click sound now, that's all. And suppose if we want to remove the Ethernet port, we have to press at the top like this. We have to press it like this and we can pull it. That's all. We have to press this and pull it. As soon as we insert the Ethernet cable, we will get this pop-up on our screen. Like this, LAN cable is connected. Please ignore our cable management, but we can see the green Ethernet cable connecting the Wi-Fi router and our PlayStation here. Both of them are connected. So that's all we have to do. This is the first step. So after connecting the Ethernet cable, we can take our PS5 DualSense controller and change the internet connection from Wi-Fi to Ethernet. So go to settings, select that. Then here go to network. And go to settings. Here go to setup internet connection. So here under networks found, we can see setup wired LAN, that is our Ethernet cable. We just have to select that. At the top we can see the Wi-Fi connection that we are using, and now we are going to use the Ethernet cable. Select this. So here we can use the default LAN name or we can change that. So in this case, we are going to leave it like this and choose connect. Connecting to the network, connecting to the internet. So that's all. Now under registered networks, we can see our wired LAN 1 connected. So that's all we have to do. We can also go to settings, network, then go to view connection status. And here at the bottom, we have this test internet connection speed. We can press the triangle button on our controller and we will get this pop-up which will check our internet connection speed. So Ethernet connection internet speed will have lower pings and more stable speeds, which will be good for online gaming and downloading games quickly. If you want to switch back to Wi-Fi connection, then you have to unplug the Ethernet cable and follow the same steps. Go to settings, network, and here we have to go to setup internet connection and we can choose our Wi-Fi connection here. That's all. We have a separate video for this. I'll link it in the description along with other helpful PS5 videos. These are the steps to connect the Ethernet cable to Sony PS5 gaming console. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.